Hi everyone, my name is Chelsea and I am a Children's Services Assistant for Clearview Library District. I am here today in my kitchen to announce to you a very fun, exciting new program that we have planned for you guys this summer. It is to get families involved with fun recipes and to get you cooking. It is called the Family Cooking Challenge. So here's how this is going to work. We're going to have 3 throughout the summer. We're going to announce one today with this video. We will have one on July 5th and then July 19th. And what it is we're just going to provide you with a simple recipe with simple ingredients that should be able to be found around the house, things that you have at home already. You shouldn't have to go shopping or anything like that. And we are going to challenge you as a family to include some new, fun, exciting, unusual ingredient into these recipes to make them fun. So, but still edible. So that's the challenge, is to add something, an ingredient that is fun and unusual, but still edible. So what we're going to do is, this is your first challenge, and we're going to challenge you to find the recipe either in this email or on our Facebook page, event page. We'll have the recipe for you, and we're just going to have you make a simple vanilla ice cream. Okay, so vanilla ice cream, you can make it with the bags and stuff, like it says in the ingredients in the recipe, and then you add something fun and unusual. So to get your submission in, because we're going to have a winner each week, you need to send it to my email address. It's Chelsey with a Y, Chelsey, at clearviewlibrary.org. Chelsey at clearviewlibrary.org. Okay, so you take a picture of your creation, you send it in to us, we pick a winner. The winner of this week's challenge for the vanilla ice cream is going to be a customized wooden spoon with a family cookbook recipe journal. So it comes blank and you get to add your family recipes to it. So it's a really cool prize. So that's what it is. So there it is, and we're going to announce the next one here in a couple of weeks. But get your submission into me within 1 week. So the 28th is your deadline to send me the picture, and we'll pick a winner and we'll announce it on our next video. So get cooking. Good luck. I can't wait to see what you guys come up with, and we will see you next time. Thanks, guys.